What's going on, guys? My name is Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about why it is so important to have an accountant. Alright guys, before we get started, make sure you come right over here to this little bitty tiny red button right down here in the corner. It says subscribe, and that's what y'all need to do, man. Y'all ain't helping the channel out as much as y'all used to, and I'm sorry if I'm getting boring, but I've been busy working on my faith, been busy trying to grow this business, man, and when I feel like a video is important enough to show you guys, I'll make one. But anyway, make sure you subscribe, guys. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, even if it's just to say what's up. It helps the channel out a ton. Let's talk about why it's so important to have an accountant. All right, I've been going to H&R Block in my local town for ever. I mean, probably 12, 13 years, I guess. And they've done a good job. But now I'm a business owner. So what happened is after the first quarter, I went to talk to my H&R Block lady. And she's like, yeah, everything looks great. At the end of the year, you should only have to pay in about $4,500. I'm like, come again, sister. No, I ain't. No, I ain't. Nuh-uh. And she's like, yeah, based on all the information you've given me, you're going to have to pay in that much. I'm like, oh, okay. So I talked to some fellow business owners here in town, some local farmers and some local attorneys and people, and I'm like, who do y'all use for your accounting? Because something's got to give. And they told me, and they recommended a couple different people. So I went and talked to one of them, and we sat down, and she was telling me everything that could be deducted and all this stuff. I mean, broke it down, I mean, like science, and told me that based on what we were making already this year, that we should get back a hefty tax return. I'm like, wait a minute. Other lady trying to tell me I'm finna have to pay in $4,500. This one's telling me I may get back doubling that in taxes. And I'm like, yeah, I think I'll use an accountant from now on. You see, guys, it is very important in a business game. You don't understand. You don't need money leaving your business that doesn't need to leave. And if you've got to pay in stuff that you didn't really need to pay in because someone didn't know what the heck they were doing, that is money that you could be reinvesting in your business or in other investments and things like that. I mean, every dime that you can save and keep in business is crucial, guys. I mean, even if it's just $3.15 in gas, that's a tax write-off. It adds up, guys. It really does. So I know this is a quick video, but I really wanted to share this with you guys because I feel like you guys need to know, because I didn't know. And thankfully, I had enough friends that told me, hey, man, you should not be paying in anything your first year in business because you're going to take a loss. So some of you guys that's been in the business a lot longer than me, I mean, you guys chime in down in the bottom down here and tell these guys and girls that it is very important to have an accountant, someone who is trained in taxes, not just someone who does, regular paycheck taxes. You need somebody who knows how to write off business expenses. Things that I had no idea that I could write off, I am able to write off. And I'm just like, thank you, Lord. Thank you for sending this woman into my life. And thank you for my friends who told me about it. So anyway, let me know in the comments below, guys. Are you using an accountant? Or are you doing TurboTax? I mean, what's the deal? Because I promise you, an accountant will save you thousands upon thousands of dollars. So, hope this helps somebody, man. God bless.